This is Jamb cube. So let me show you how to deal with it. A cube has a cubic expansivity of 0.00456 per Kelvin, while its superficial expansivity. So the formula for superficial expansivity is this: beta equals to 2 alpha. And the formula for cubic expansivity is this: gamma equals to 3 alpha. So now you make this alpha the subject and substitute it here. So divide both sides by what? If I'm making alpha subject, divide both sides by 3. So now 3 cancel 3. Therefore, alpha is equivalent to gamma divided by 3. I will put the value of alpha into this equation. Beta now equals to 2. The value of alpha now becomes gamma divided by 3. So, superficial expansivity beta equals to 2 divided by 3 multiplied by the value of cubic expansivity, which is 0.00456. 0.0000456. So 2 divided by 3 multiplied by this, you are going to get 3.0 for exponential negative 4 per Kelvin. So thank you for watching. Follow, like, comment.